We are taking a closer look at Arkansas's stand your ground laws. This after Cave Springs police say they arrested a man accused of shooting a utility worker that he believed was trespassing. Fortunately, the worker was not hit. However, the man accused of pulling the trigger is now facing aggravated assault charges. 5 News reporter Laura Castleman talked with law enforcement about what the law says.
Once you pull the trigger, the decision is no longer yours. Arkansas is an open, permitless carry state. As young as 18, you can purchase a gun with or without formal training. When it comes to stand your ground laws in Arkansas, West Fork Police Chief and firearms safety trainer at NWA Defense, Justin Goggans, says they are often misunderstood.
Removing an obligation that you have some duty to retreat. And that's really, I think people think about it backwards.
He says many people oversimplify what the law actually means.
You might feel justified, you might feel emotionally like you're in the right, but objectively, after the fact, sometimes it can get a little more complicated.
According to Goggans, the law does not mean automatic protection, and each case is reviewed after the fact.
At the end of the day, it doesn't give you added protections. It just doesn't make you do additional things to try to avoid something when you're already justified at defending yourself.
He says his job is to prepare people for real-life situations they hope they never face.
We give them the best advice we possibly can, so they're prepared for that very unlikely but unfortunate, a very catastrophic situation they could be facing potentially with having to defend themselves. At the end of the day, a judge, jury, and prosecutor will decide if your actions were reasonable or not.
The final call on stand your ground cases in Arkansas isn't made on the street, it's made in the courtroom. Covering news where you live, Laura Castleman, 5 News.